Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends.
How are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to bold part of text in Microsoft Excel.
Let's get started. At first, open your Excel spreadsheet.
Now you want to bold part of text. At first click inside the cell. Double click on the cell. Now we can see here show the cursor.
Now I am select the text. You can select part of text. Then go to the home menu and select the bold option. We can see we make the text part of bold easily. You can make this same process in another text. Double click on the cell, then make bold part of text. You can use the keyboard shortcut key. At first select the text, then press Ctrl B on your keyboard to make the bold.
Now we can see we bold part of text in Excel cell easily. I hope you enjoyed my video.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.
Thanks for watching.